Hello again, welcome back to Spire's continuing series of videos on how to use Tradewinds. Well, it's a few days from event day, and we are ready to train our volunteers on how to check guests into the event as they arrive. In this video, we will specifically look at the guest check-in area of Tradewinds. We will first look at how to check in guests that are already on the guest list. Next we will look at how to add a guest that is not on the guest list, but they are already in the People section of Tradewinds. Remember, the People section of Tradewinds is comprised of guests that have attended prior events or they are a benefactor. Lastly, we will look at how to add a guest that is not on the event list, nor are they in the People database. Generally speaking, we will call a guest that is not on the event guest list a walk-in guest. Before we get started with learning how to check guests in at an event, let's make a couple of assumptions and we will look at one task that can be done prior to the event that will help with the check-in process. Okay, let's assume that we have all of our paddles ready for distribution as well as the event brochure and/or printed event materials. To help expedite guest check-in, Tradewinds has guest cards or stickers that can be printed and then combined with the welcome package that will be given to guests as they arrive. To print the guest cards or stickers, go to the event detail screen. Click on the People tab. Just below the guest list, we have a guest card button. Click the guest card button. A message window will appear asking if you want to print stickers or cards. If stickers are chosen, Tradewinds will print stickers for Avery 5395 stock. If cards are chosen, Tradewinds will print Avery 8371 card stock. On the cards or stickers, the guest name, bid number, table number and event name will be displayed. Click the return or enter key to begin the print process. A window will appear displaying cancel or OK. Click the OK button to print the guest cards or stickers. A print window will appear. Click the print button. Tradewinds will print the labels or cards and return back to the People tab. Once you have printed your guest cards or stickers, match them up with the bid numbers and printed event information. The guest packets can now be broke up alphabetically so when guests arrive, they can go to the check-in table with their respective last name alphabet range and get checked in. Now that we have the welcome packets ready, let's move on to learn how to check in guests as they arrive. First, log into Tradewinds and this time go to the guest check-in section of Tradewinds. Click on the guest button. Next, select the event we will be checking guests into. Click into the Choose Event field. From the list of events, select the event. For this video, we will be checking guests into the new Gala event. The Start tab will give the user a brief look at the number of guests pre-registered for the event, how many walk-in guests have checked in and the total number of guests. To view the guest list, click on the Guests tab. In the guest list, we see the assigned bid number, guest names. Note, couples' names are both displayed in the Names column. Company name and/or group the guest may be associated with. Assigned table and if a card is on file or not. A checked box represents a card on file and a red thumbs down means there is no card on file. First, let's look how we can locate guests quickly in the guest list. First, we can sort the bid number column from low to high or high to low by clicking the bid number header. Next, the names column is also sortable by simply clicking the names header. When the names header is clicked, the guests are sorted alphabetically from A to Z. The fastest way to locate a guest is using the Quick Find field located just above the guest list. To find a guest by using the Quick Find field, first click into the field. Let's see if we can locate Sally Anybody. The search field will search the full or partial first or last name. We'll start with Sally's first name. Key in SAL, then hit the enter or return key. Sally's name will be located. Let's clear the search field and try the last name. Click the X in the search field to clear the first name. This time key in ANY, then hit the return or enter key. Again, we find Sally. The search field will also locate bid numbers. For this portion of the exercise, we will say the guest was notified prior to the event what their bid number will be, so when they arrive, they can be checked in by their bid number. Let's find bidder number 103. Key in 103 in the search field, then search. We see bid number 103 belongs to the Swift family. Now we know how to locate our guests. Let's find and get the Smith family checked in. Click in the Quick Find field and enter a partial name or full name. Let's key in SMI then search. The Smith party will be located. Click on the guest name to view the guest detail window. With the guest in front of us, let's confirm the billing address for their credit card we are going to store. Let's say the address is correct. Now click on the Store Card icon. Click the Prepare Card Swipe button and swipe and store a card. Tradewinds will store the card and display the stored card information. Give the guest their welcome packet with their bid paddle, printed event materials and their guest card or sticker. Click the Close button and go back to the guest list. Click the gray X button in the Quick Search field to clear the last search and get ready to check in the next guest. The next type of guest we will check in is a guest that is not in the event guest list, but they have attended a prior event, or they are a benefactor. Let's say Jennifer Foster has walked up to the check-in table and would like to get checked in. We type in the Quick Search field the last name of Foster. Search the name. The guest screen will be blank. Clear the search field and go back to the guest list. We now want to see if she is in our database. Click the green plus button. A blank guest card will appear. Click into the name field. A window will open. In the guest name field, key in the guest name. Tradewinds will search the database for the guest name. Jennifer was found by Tradewinds. Click on Jennifer's name. Tradewinds will auto-populate Jennifer's information. Click into the bid number field to assign a bid number. Once you have assigned the bid number, let's store a card for Jennifer. Verify if the address is correct and if the billing address is the same. Click on the CC tab. Click the Store Card icon and store a card. After Tradewinds stores a card, we will need to assign Jennifer to a table. Click on the table icon. The Assign Guests to a Table window will open. Choose a table to assign Jennifer to. In this case, we'll assign Jennifer to Table 1. Click on the checkbox for Jennifer and assign Jennifer to table number 1. Close the table assignment window and Jennifer's guest detail window. Hand Jennifer her welcome package with bid number 303 and write down on the bid paddle or welcome package her assigned table. Click Close to check in the next guest. The last type of guest we will get checked in is a walk-in guest that is not on the event guest list nor are they in the people database. For this exercise, let's say we are going to check in Johnny and Jane Appleseed. If we do a quick search for the last name in the event guest list, we do not find the Appleseeds. Next, let's see if the Appleseeds are in the people database. Click in the green plus button. Click into the name field and open the search window. Type in the Appleseed's name and search. As we can see when we do a search for Appleseed, the search results are blank. This confirms that the Appleseeds are not in the database, and we will need to create a new guest record. Click on the New button. Tradewinds will display the new guest names fields. Enter the guest names. Once the names are entered, click the Close button and go back to the guest detail window. First, click in the bid number field and assign a bid number. Next, click into the address field to the left. The address field 1 field will be activated. Enter the guest's address. If the billing address is different, enter the billing address. Click on the CC tab and store a card for the Appleseed. Now that we have a card stored, let's find a table to assign the Appleseeds to. Click Close to close the window. Click on the table icon, and open the table assignment window. We will put the Appleseeds at table 3. Once they have been assigned, close the assignment window and close the detail window. We can now give the Appleseeds their paddle and event information and in the event they go. That about wraps things up for getting guests checked in the day of your event. We know how to check in a guest on the event guest list. We also know how to check a guest in that is not on the list, but is in the Tradewinds database. And finally, we know how to check in a guest that is truly a walk-in guest and not a part of the Tradewinds database. As you can imagine, with the help of Tradewinds and having everything organized, check-in can be a breeze. If you have a question about the check-in process, or again any other questions about Tradewinds, we are here to help.